Hello everyone, and welcome to the Qorrect platform. In this video, we'll learn together how, as an item creator, we can create MCQ questions using AI item generation. First, log in with your item creator account. Then, on the left-hand side of the page, click on Items. This will open the Items page. The first step is to select the module where you want to create your items. Click on the module drop-down list, and you will see all the modules assigned to you. Select the module. Then click on Create AI Items. When we click Generate AI Items, a new interface appears with two panels. The Basic Requirements panel, where we input details for the items we want the AI to generate. The AI Items panel, which displays all previously generated items. To define the topic, we have two options: either upload a PDF containing the relevant content, or paste the raw text directly into the input area. Next, we select the item type, such as multiple choice questions, and define the number of items to generate, along with the number of alternatives per item. Once all fields are filled in, we click Generate AI Items. After processing, the generated items appear in the AI Items panel, ready to be edited, inserted into the item bank, or deleted. These actions can be performed individually or in bulk using the Select All checkbox. And that's it. Now you know how to generate MCQ questions using AI item generation on the Qorrect platform.